All right, just a couple of minutes away from the closing bell. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Blikre to see if we can finally have ourselves a positive Friday, my friend.
Finally, 8 out of the last 9 have been negative, but look at this. To close the week, we have the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, each up over 2%. Throw in the Russell 2000 there with it. Nasdaq up over 5%. Dow there almost with it, and S&P 500 about in the same place. Here is, I think this is going to be the sector action for the week. In fact, the entire week, all 5 days, energy in the lead, followed by tech, materials, consumer discretionary, all of those the outperformers. And what a day for the Fed. I mean, we woke up to a Nick Timiraos article, then we had a Yentervention, then we had some Mary Daly comments as well. Throw in all of it, and guess what? By the end of the day, by the end of the week, we're seeing a lot of the money flow into some of these fringe markets like meme stocks. So I'm going to go through some of these rather quickly. Here's the Nasdaq, also on a 5-day basis. Amazon tacking on gains, 11% there. Nvidia also up 11%. Tesla having a little bit of a rough go after its earnings, but still managing to cap the week at 4.5%. Microsoft, Alphabet right there with it. Let me just show you some of our heat maps here for the week. Travel looking pretty good. Carnival Cruise Lines up 15%. United Airlines, the airlines announcing earnings this week. That's up 14%. Bank stocks doing fairly well after rounding out the big bank earnings earlier this week. You can see JP Morgan, Bank of America each up about 10%. Goldman Sachs up 8%. With 15 seconds to go, we're going to check in on the EV market. And here we go. I covered Tesla, but look at Ford. That's up 4.5%. And GM up 6%, guys.